Welcome to this technical guide on the Xiaomi Robot. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Xiaomi Robot is not functioning, you might be experiencing a common issue that can stem from various factors, such as battery failure, motor malfunctions, or even software glitches. If left unaddressed, these problems can worsen, potentially leading to more extensive damage and costly repairs. To embark on this repair journey, you will need a few tools: a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a replacement battery or motor depending on the identified issue. First, ensure the robot is turned off and unplugged. Carefully flip the robot over and locate the screws on the bottom panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, gently remove these screws, taking care not to strip them. Once the screws are out, use the plastic spudger to pry open the casing. Be cautious, as there are delicate components inside. After opening the robot, visually inspect the internal components to identify the faulty part. If you suspect the battery, look for any signs of swelling or leakage. If the motor seems to be the issue, check for any loose connections or burnt-out areas. To extract the faulty component, carefully disconnect any attached cables, making a note of their positions for reassembly later. If you're dealing with a battery replacement, simply lift out the old battery and place the new one in its position. For a motor replacement, unscrew it from its mount, ensuring you remember the orientation of the wires. When reassembling, take care to reconnect the cables securely, and make sure no wires are pinched when closing the casing. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is back in place, screw the bottom panel back on securely, ensuring all screws are tightened but not overly so, as this can strip the threads. To verify that your Xiaomi Robot is functioning correctly, turn it on and test its basic functions. If everything runs smoothly, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your device. To prevent this issue from happening again, it's advisable to perform regular maintenance on your Xiaomi Robot, such as cleaning the sensors and ensuring that it operates on a clean surface. Additionally, always keep the robot charged and avoid overworking it on difficult terrains. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.